that's a wrap, folks. You've just leveled up your WooCommerce game from basic bundler to chain products champion. Let's do a lightning recap before you go rule the e-commerce world. Lesson 1. You learned what chain products are, aka the ultimate buy this, get that magic trick. Lesson 2. You tweaked settings like a pro because defaults are for amateurs. Lesson 3. You built bundles faster than a kid stacking Legos. Lesson 4. BOGOs, nesting. You're basically the Shakespeare of sales strategies now. Lesson 5. You made those chained products look so good, even your competitors are jealous. And Lesson 6. You turned troubleshooting into a side hustle. Okay, maybe not, but close. Seriously though, you've got the tools to boost sales, simplify workflows, and make customers feel like they've hit the jackpot. So, go forth. Create bundles, set up wild offers, and if things get chaotic, and maybe grab a coffee. It helps, trust me, that's all for this course. Drop questions in the comments, I'm here to help. Now go make some. Keep bundling, keep selling, and as always, keep being awesome.